local flavor, no? And it's not just hot dogs, it's the experience, right?
Good attitude. nice person.
Guys, nakita niyo yung dalawang girls niyon? Hindi sila pinapasok. So ito, kilala namin yung bouncer eh. So, punta tayo dito. Pero kaya tayong dito para sa hot dogs. Guys, ito, Cliff's Dogs. This is a local thing. Di ba meron yung sa Brett? Ano pa ba, Nathan's? No, dito sa Manhattan. Well, ito mga OG. No, bukas to 24 hours eh. Kahit sa inlot na ako, meron yan. Ito guys, etong OG dito, Cliff's Dogs. Yan lang yung sign, no? Pero dito, puro gimmickan. Yan maganda dito sa Manhattan eh. No? Hood ng Manhattan. In the hood! Pala mag-isa, no? Ito guys, may... Kikita nyo itong telephone booth na to. Dadial ka lang dito. No? Hello!
Hi, how are you?
I'm just the number. And then you get inside. No? Kaya mo yan. Ganon ka OG to pare. Tago na ganyan. And that's bar. Girls are there. And it's not just hot dogs, it's the experience, right?
Good attitude. nice person.
Guys, nakita niyo yung dalawang girls niyon? They're Latina, right? Dalawang Latina na yun, no? Hindi sila pinapasok. So ito, kilala namin yung bouncer eh, no? So, pero kaya tayong dito para sa hot dogs, no? Hinihintay natin yung hotdog natin, guys. No? Okay, my hotdog's there. Okay, bye-bye. Alright, there. Shit. Now guys, pa-party na lang ako dyan dito tayo sa East Coast. Dito tayo sa Cliff's Hotdog. Pero tinawag na ako eh. I'm here with Gavin, the man, okay? When it comes to hot dogs here in Manhattan.
So we've got two hot dogs here. Crypt Dogs, the spicy redneck, and the elote. Spicy redneck is a play on what's called a redneck dog or Carolina dog, popular in the South. Except they put Chipotle mayo on it, so it's spicy now. Got coleslaw and jalapenos. And the elote dog is like elote corn, from Mexico and Central America. And then they also have cheese and cilantro on it as well.
Alright. Oh guys, andito ako sa Manhattan.
Crypt Dogs.
Yeah,
in
guys.
East Village.
Okay, in East Village. Guys, andito ako okay sa Manhattan sa Cliff's Dogs. Ito si Kuya dito nagsasabing basta na sa budget, let's review it. Love me, hate me, but never forget me.
What he said.
Subscribe. Tikman natin guys ha. Wow, guys ha. Masarap guys, masarap. Tikman nyo. Pag dito kayo sa Manhattan East Side, check this out. Cliff's Hot Dogs. Ito si Kuya dito, andito sa may Manhattan, pakain-kain na lang ng New York hot dog, nagsasabing basta na sa budget. Let's review it. Love me, hate me, but never forget me. Subscribe. Kain guys. Yan guys, ito ang OG na hotdogan dito sa Manhattan. Ganda, di ba? So, okay yung sa Brett and Nathan's, no? But as more of like a stand, hotdog stand. No? This is more talagang local.